So today I want to show you how to crochet this little heart, and this is done without the magic ring because at the beginning of learning how to crochet some find it very hard to do the magic ring. So this is done without. This tutorial is a beginner friendly tutorial, so I will go forward very slowly. Let's begin. I have used a medium weight 4 yarn and a 4.5 mm crochet hook. So we begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn and take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, grab it from the middle, and pull. And now we chain 5. So yarn over, pull through the loop. That's one chain. Yarn over, pull through, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have 5 chains. We only want to work in 3 of them, so we skip the first 2, and then in this one we will now work a double crochet. So this one, so you yarn over, then you insert the hook into the 3rd chain. So you have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, and yarn over, pull through, 2. Now we want to work another 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So if you're not sure where to put in your hook, you can count your 2 chains down here. You still have to leave those. So take these aside, and then you see this gap. This is where we want to work our 2 final double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook in this big space again. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, 2. Yarn over, pull through, 2. And that's our 2 double crochets. Now we want to work one final double crochet still in this big gap. You can see we still have 2 chains left down here. So one final double crochet in this big gap. Now we want to move on to the next chain. So in this one, we want to do a single crochet. So you just take your hook and insert into the next chain, and then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2. And then in the final chain down at the bottom, we will do a slip stitch. So just insert the hook in the final chain, yarn over, pull through, pull through. And that's the first half of our heart. Now we will pivot it. So we will now work on the opposite side of the chain we were working. So we need to do the whole process backwards. So we will start with a slip stitch, then 1 single crochet, and then 3 double crochet. And I will now show you how. So in this stitch over here, where we did the slip stitch right here, we will now do a slip stitch on the opposite side. You see these 3 gaps right here. You see this one, and this one. These will be the gaps we will be working into. So insert the hook in the first gap and slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through, pull through. Now we have the 2 small gaps left. We will do a single crochet in the next. So insert the hook into the next gap, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we have this final gap up here. So we yarn over to make our first double crochet and then insert it into this big loop right here, and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2. And another double crochet into the same gap. You can see this big gap right here. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then the final one, yarn over, insert the hook in the same gap again, and work your final double crochet. So now that's it. Now you want to work 3 chain. No, sorry. Is it 3 chains? No, 2 chains, just to finish it up, to make the same bow as over here. So yarn over, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And then you want to do a slip stitch into this gap. So just insert the hook and slip stitch. Now you finished your heart. I will now cut the yarn just to show you how it looks. Pull this one through and you have your little heart. Now find your tapestry needle and weave in this end on the back side, and then you're done. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!